made this in 2021? I don't think we've used it since. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. This is a hidden doll room that we made a while back. It was supposed to look like a home store. We used a lot of fun finds from Target over the holidays, but I haven't really used it in a while, so we're gonna give it a makeover. Here is the original video if you want to see how it started. But right now, we are going to empty this space, including these shelves on the sides. The basic room has 2 walls that can fold out and come in. There's a small floor in the center and built-in shelving in the back. Let's make more shelving using scraps of foam board. I cut foam board into 2-inch strips. I cut 2 to 9 inches long and 2 more at 5.5. Cover with a wood grain paper, then glue them together to make a little table. Glue it to the side wall, making sure it can clear the floor, then repeat on the other side. Take recycled paperboard, bend it to make a tube. I wrap it with cord, gluing along the way to make a small little basket. And of course, we can cut toilet paper rolls and wrap them to make more baskets in different sizes. I glue them to the side walls, so I didn't worry about making a bottom. Plus, since I had to make so many, I was totally trying to cut corners wherever I could. Repeat for the other side, and now we have a lot of space to hold flowers. I was at Michael's and they had dried flowers for 50% off. So let's take a few. I add a little glue to the bottom, making sure all the stems are held in place. I trim off the excess past the glue, then glue them onto the side walls upside down, so it looks like they are drying flowers. I was able to find a couple of different tiny little flowers at Michael's. I have pink ones, cream, and a pale lavender, so we can add a little variety. I glued together a larger bunch of flowers and trim off the end to go in the large baskets underneath. Let's add those purple flowers and the cream ones. And instantly, we're starting to get that flower shop feel. I took the clear plastic caps from makeup and spray bottles. Let's add a few white rocks, then a little moss to make some clutter for the shelves. We can also fill the caps with leftover and broken flowers for homemade potpourri, and we can make some small bunches of flowers that we glue at the bottom just as before, then place them into a cap for small bouquets of flowers. And we can still remove them and place them into a miniature vase, so they're functional. I add a few of those little wooden houses to the shelves for clutter. Let's take a paper bag and cut a few squares. Let's turn it to the side and then roll it to make a cone. Glue the end down, tie string around it, make a bow if you like, and I glued mine in place so it wouldn't come undone. Make a bunch of flowers that are glued at the bottom. Place them into the cone to be a bouquet wrapped in paper. I'm placing these in the baskets on the top to make ready-to-go flowers for the shop. And of course, we can leave off the string to save a little time, because we have a lot to make. I glue leftover flowers to the top of the back wall. I glue a few loose stems between them to fill in the gaps, creating kind of this canopy of hanging flowers. Let's add a few of those clear caps with flowers to the sides with the baskets to create another layer of flowers. And of course, we can use any leftover flowers to mix them up and create small bouquets. I have a spare basket that we can use to store them on the floor. And I added a few of my 3D printed vases to the back wall. to finish our dried flower shop in a hidden doll room. The colors are very neutral and calm. I think this will be a great background for doll photography. Plus, it folds up for easy storage. When I open it up, I place a few pieces of scrapbook paper on the ground to fill in the gaps. And I absolutely just love the way this turned out. And it's perfect because we're making a flower shop in Miniverse 2 on Roblox as well. So there will be flowers everywhere. Let's open some mail. This is from Mama Barbie 17. There's a card and there's a flower on it. I totally did not plan this, but it's kind of perfect. Some things for you and some things for Luna. Open big box last. My picture from Instagram Yearbook 2022. Mama Barbie 17. Aw, dear Froggy, aka Toya, thank you for being you. Oh, you're gonna make me cry. I am also an adult doll collector. Yo, we gotta stick together. You have inspired me to start not only to collect Barbies and other toys, but also to DIY my own creations. How cool is that? I love all that you do. Creations are included, LOL. I hope you like them. Keep being you. Aw, thank you, Mama Barbie 17. Let's move all of the paper. We could have totally used this when wrapping our flowers. Seriously, there's like little gold flakes in the paper. Not me getting excited about the packaging. Real little shoes? You know I love these. And here we have purple and white tennis shoes with thick soles. Mini Toya will need some socks. But wait, there's more. I love these tiny little shoes. Oh my goodness. The rare Night Angel shoes. They're all glittery. They totally fit and have no problem staying on. We have another pair. And these are pop culture. They're black with white soles and have little icons on the front. On a classic Barbie, we will need socks. 3 boxes of Real Littles Micromart? They do feel a little heavy, so let's see what is inside. Those are mini brands. 2 5 Surprise Unicorn Squad capsules. 1 Newborn Unicorn Squad capsule, 2 Rainbow Corns, a Rainbow Corn Sweet Shake Surprise. I don't think I have one of these. And a baby unicorn. And a unicorn slap bracelet. This was all in the first box. Remember, there are 2 more. In the second box, we have 2 Lucky Fortunes, Crusher, Bloom and Itty Bitty Pretties, Shimmer and Shine, Real Monsters, a Shimmer and Shine purse, a lion cub, a fish tank, and Origel. In the next box, we have a Barbie bracelet and a ring. Almond Breeze. Thank you. My dolls need this. Sunny D, collagen, and something wrapped in tissue paper. Mario. It's a tiny little Mario figure. And this is Luigi. These are adorable. We have a bullet, one of the little mushroom head dudes. Sorry, my Mario knowledge is limited, and it's a little turtle dude. And they are the perfect size to be dolls for dolls. Thanks. We have 2 mini brands or mini fashion capsules. The one says Disney and the other says miscellaneous. Let's open miscellaneous. Oh yes, rainbow high hangers. And He-Man! Isn't this a Super Impulse micro figure? Little tiny accessories included, and the figure can move at the head and at the arm. Gotta love the minis. So many fun treasures today. And this is pink butterfly shoes. You know, hot pink is my new thing. And this is Calico Critters! 2 little baby Calico Critters with instruments. I'm totally gonna put these in Luna's room, or baby Starla. It's perfect. The next one says Disney, and inside we have tissue paper and fish. That's Nemo, right? And Sully. Aw, these will be so cute as like toys for the baby. And this is adorable. It's Tink. And this might be a new pose for me. The one on my shelf is currently standing like this. Thank you. You know I love adorables. It's Tsum Tsum from Frozen and the robot from WALL-E. What was his name? Sven? And I'm totally putting this in my NASA room. And this is Elena of Avalor. Y'all are the best. Here is the big box I was instructed to open last. So many presents. You are spoiling me. Oops. It's a mini fashion purse. The pink glittery shoe. Thank you. And Care Bears. And more Care Bears. Is that a rose gold one? Oh my goodness. So many Care Bears. Are these the Super Impulse World's Smallest? Light Bright? Bright Light? Yeah, one of those. Uno and Monopoly. Yo-Yos and Tinker Toys. Is that Skeletor? Because it's perfect because we already have He-Man. Power Rangers, and I don't remember what this is. My Little Pony, a rocking horse, and one of the little boxer dudes. This says Mini Toya and Baby Luna. It's a tiny little card, and inside we have a card that says, "Welcome, baby girl." And there's a picture of Mama Barbie 17. Love it. In the gift bag, there's a little poster that says, "Welcome to the world, little one," and a light pink Squishville Squishmallow. This will totally match my nursery. A tiny little pink onesie and a blanket with stars and moons. How did you know I like outer space? Well, I did name my babies Luna and Starla. The outfit is an easy fit on a Barbie baby. There's a whole Calico Critter bedroom set and a few crafted items. Teeny tiny nail polish and cotton balls and a nail file. That is cute. Thank you so much, Mama Barbie 17. I might have picked up a few things from Elite Doll World. This is one of my favorite Etsy shops. And she's added shorts and pants. Of course, I had to pick up some for Mini Toya and a little something for the babies. What's this? Could this be a gift? Why, yes. Yes, it is. Oh my, so many things for the baby. There's a blue floral outfit for a Barbie baby and one for our silicone baby, Starla. Then we have 3 other looks, a new little hat, or a headband, so he can show off those little ears. And 3D printed baby products. How cute are those? I have to be so careful when dressing these little silicone babies. Starla looks super comfy. Here are the 2 outfits that I bought for Mini Toya. Gathered pants with pockets and an oversized comfy ribbed shirt. And the second look is a white top with floral shorts. The perfect look for spending the day at the flower shop. Thank you for joining us while we gave one of our hidden box rooms a floral shop makeover, opened some mail, and checked out my latest Etsy find. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.